The price of the Sandbox/Sand coin right now is $0.3408952. It's gone up 6% in the past 24 hours. The price of Sand ended higher than it started 49.26% of the time. The most that one Sand has ever been worth in our base is $7.40, which happened 11 years and 11 months ago. The price is now 95.4% lower than its all-time high. There are 17 technical indicators, and 9 of them say to buy and 8 say to sell. Based on technical price research, the short-term prediction sentiment is bullish. The first big rising resistance for Sand is at $0.4272522. It needs to close above that level to keep going up. The bottom support is at $0.3117741. We could see the price drop even more if it falls below $0.3117741. The next level of support is at $0.5574607. If it can close above $0.4272522 though, it can go up to that level. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, for the last 14 days is now at 86.14, which means that prices are high and could fall in the near future. The RSI is at 29.18 on the weekly chart, which means the price is oversold. Exponential moving averages show a strong sign on the daily chart. It is now above the 10, 20, and 50-day exponential moving averages, but it is still below the 100 and 200-day exponential moving averages. The 100-day EMA is at $0.3422967, which is 0.4094662% of the present rate. Most of the time, the price of Sand on the last day of October was higher than the open price. Only once did the price fall below the price at the beginning of the month. In the last 4 years, October has been the best month for the Sandbox. 3 times as much Sand was sold at the end of October as it was at the beginning of the month. 3 times out of 4, the price at the end of September was less than the starting price. September is the worst month. For more information, look at monthly results. The Sandbox had 2 bull runs. The first one started in August 2020 and ended with an all-time high of $0.0820367. Just 68.04 days later, the price dropped to its lowest point of $0.0318028. It took about a year from August 2020 to reach the next all-time high. There have been 700 days since the last bull run in November 2021. It took 450 days for Sand to hit a new all-time high the last time. The Sandbox price estimate says that the price of Sand could reach $0.3570291 in the next 10 days. In the long term, we think that the price will be $1.80 in 2025 and $3.22 in 2030. Taking all of these past highs and shorter-term predictions into account, the estimate for 2040 is $9.47. It is thought that Sandbox will be worth $0.4283692 in 2024. That is the most that our forecast can say.